Okay, today, this is not canning. We're making baked feta pasta. And it starts out with 2 pints of grape or cherry tomatoes, which are already in this pan. 1 shallot, quartered. We didn't have shallot.
So, some red onion.
Yeah, just use some red onion that we chunked up. 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Is that what it?
3 cloves smashed.
Smashed garlic. Well, this is the bottled garlic. And it's this. And we get it at Dollar Tree. So, because I can get 3 of those and have more crushed garlic than buying the big jars somewhere else. Okay, and olive oil. It calls for a 1/2 cup of olive oil, and it says first to pour it over pour most of the olive oil over this in the pan. And then what's next?
Crushed red pepper.
Crushed red pepper.
You didn't say an amount, just...
Yeah.
And salt.
Salt. So that would be up to you as well. And we're using Himalayan pink salt. We also get that at Dollar Tree.
It's a pound of it.
It's a pound of Himalayan pink salt for $1. So that's what we've been using lately, and we like it.
Not all of that.
Yeah. And what else?
Put the feta into the center.
Yeah. Okay, it called for a block, an 8-ounce block.
Yeah, called for 8-ounce block.
Feta. So I couldn't find it at the store. They were out, but they did have the crumbles like this. So,
This say just toss this to combine it
right,
first.
yeah.
And then that's just a 6-ounce block pack there.
Yeah.
And so I'll put that and some of that.
Yeah. So we'll put that whole package of feta in the center and then some more. You could probably maybe measure a couple ounces into that. Okay. So it's just in there, in the middle. And what's it say to do next?
It says, put the feta in the center, drizzle the top with the remaining olive oil.
Okay. And it looks pretty already, those bright red tomatoes.
And then the thyme.
Oh, okay. Okay, and the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of fresh thyme. No, 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. I don't have fresh thyme on hand. So what we're doing is using dried thyme, and we're going to use about a tablespoon and a half.
And it's just scattered about, right? Scatter thyme over tomatoes.
Okay.
That actually looks like enough there.
It does, doesn't it? Well, that tablespoon is 3 teaspoons, so it's about right, probably. It will be good.
Yeah. And then bake for 40 to 45 minutes.
Covered?
No.
Okay.
Until tomatoes are bursting and feta is golden on top.
Okay. All right, so we'll get it in the oven. It's at what temperature?
400.
400 degrees, 40 to 45 minutes.
Yep.
And then we'll bring you back. It also calls for 10 ounces of penne pasta. I also got this at Dollar Tree. And this is 25% more. It's free, it says. It's 20 ounces, so half this box will go into a pot of boiling salted water. And we'll cook it in there when this What?
Then reserve a half a cup of water before you drain it. So.
Yeah, for the starches probably. Thicken it up. So, let us get this boiling and we'll bring you back. Okay, that looks really delicious. He's gonna use a potato masher and mash this up just a little bit. Get that cheese worked in there, I guess. Get the tomatoes broken down.
Pasta water.
Yeah. It says to add a half a cup of the pasta water. That adds some starches back in to help thicken it. And a little more flavor. Yeah.
It doesn't say to smash them in the recipe, but a lot of people in the comments
Oh, yeah.
were talking about how they mashed it.
Yeah, to get them worked in there better. Because they're supposed to pop, but I didn't see a lot of them pop. So. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. The original recipe calls for fresh basil leaves at the end of the cook time. We don't have fresh basil leaves. We did notice that people commented they used baby spinach in it, which sounds real good.
Obviously, it's not going to taste the same.
No.
But
no, but I guess if we wanted the basil flavor, we got some dried basil over there. But,
just put that in there, let the
let the heat, wilt them down good and everything. When do you put the noodles in?
After this.
Okay.
Let that set for a minute and
Okay.
kind of wilt.
Yeah. Okay, we waited till the spinach. We actually put it back in the oven for about 2 or 3 minutes, not long.
Just to make sure that spinach gets nice
and wilted in there, yeah. And now, mix in the pasta.
Grease and panning, use whatever pasta you want.
I mean, they showed those
twirly macaroni.
Twirly macaronis, and I'm sure if you like rotini, you can use that. He knows I'm not crazy about rotini.
I'm a weirdo.
But, or the, just regular big macaroni shells, maybe. But, we decided on penne pasta, because we have it. And it also, I like penne pasta. For one thing, those little lines on it hold sauce. And sauce goes on the inside of it really nicely. So I feel like I'm getting lots of flavor that way. And I like a big bite pasta anyway. And the dinner rolls, I guess we can open those up and show them. Don't burn yourself on this pan here. Please don't knock it off the floor. Those are, what's in that pan when we get it open? Garlic knots. And we've had these before. They're really good. And they're perfect to have with a pasta dish.
I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle with some
Yeah, I'd put some Parmesan.
Ray Romano.
Yeah, Ray Romano. Parmesan and Ray Romano. Okay, it's Parmesan and Romano mixed.
That's it.
And that's it. Okay, just get it plated up.
Take a taste.
Yeah, you should before you serve it to your guests, like me.
That's really good.
Really good. Okay.
Super good.
All right. Well, then let's get it on a plate and eat lunch, because I'm hungry. We've got a salad over there on the table. I mean, it's salad, okay? So I didn't worry about
salad.
Yeah. So I didn't worry about videoing that. It's in its own bowl. And then put a dinner roll on there. Thank you. So there we go. Lunch is done. It's what, 40 minutes of cooking?
Yeah,
Or
45.
So. Yeah. So there you go. Hope you enjoy this recipe. You found it on TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
And then we looked it up online and found it there. So
The
I'll
written
leave you a
recipe.
link.
You found the written recipe.
Yeah, I'll leave you a link down in the description box for this recipe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.